Welcome back to Trading Hour on CNBC-TV18. Now let's shift focus and talk about what's happening in the world of commodities. We have Manisha joining in with us as always to take us through what's happening there. Manisha, today we're focusing on crude oil prices.
Oh, yeah.
You know, they've remained at that 60-66 mark. Are we expecting an uptick now there? Is it a worry?
I hope not, because, you know, if you look at the last 2 weeks, it has been gains for the crude oil prices. And this week is no different because we're trading at around $65, $66 a barrel right now. It was a percentage point of gain in the New York session yesterday, and Asian markets have opened more than a percentage point of gain yet here again. Well, there are reports of Israel preparing to strike Iran nuclear facilities, and that is what really seems to have bothered the market. If that happens, then you are looking at a more larger regional concerns coming in there. And apart from that, Iran, remember, is the third largest oil producer within the OPEC as a segment, and there are fears of then Iran as well disrupting the Strait of Hormuz, and that is where you see most of the Middle East oil flowing into the Europe and the Asian markets there. So this could really become large, and that's the premium that we are seeing in prices exactly because of that. The second factor is about the uncertainty between Russia and Ukraine. There is still no conversation about ceasefire, and ceasefire clearly seems far away there. So these are a couple of things which seem to be supporting. The third factor is about the dollar index, which has seen a decline, and that has led to a lot of these tangible commodities actually trading in the positive right now. A couple of factors which are also capping these gains. One is the U.S. crude stocks, which have continued to increase, and the U.S. in production itself is near record high. So that is something that the street is looking at. And then within the OPEC members as well, Kazakhstan being one of them, also has seen an increase in production. So supplies is not a concern, but supply disruption can be a bit of a problem, and that is a premium because of that.
Supply disruption, a concern indeed. And back to these geopolitical tensions, right, that are supporting prices for crude oil as of now. Manisha, thanks a lot for that.